Hi everyone, today I will introduce you a very good apps which you can use in your classroom. That's Prezi. The web address of this app is www.prezi.com, and this is like a presentation tool which can be used as an alternative to traditional slide making programs such as PowerPoint. Instead of slides, Prezi makes use of one large canvas that allows you to pan and zoom to various parts of the canvas and emphasize the ideas you present. Let me show you. So the presentation is navigated by zooming in and out of the different points of canvas. So you can see that's all the things you can do in Prezi, and it can in and out of the different points. So that is cool, and it's a very good presenting ways for you, and which is very helpful for you to engage in the students and talk about what this app can do in a lesson or in the classroom. I want to introduce you some advantages of this app. The Prezi can allows the creation of linear or the onliner presentation, or just click on, like what I do, just click on the different objects on the presentation for a non-linear presentation. So by changing the size and the position of objects, the designers you can visually illustrate the relationship between the concepts in the presentation to aid in students' understanding of species as well as the whole. So this is a very good tools for you to present the content of your teaching. And as for me, I use this create at my personal timeline, and as you can just do something like me to create a linear presentation to help students know the time relationship like this. And also you can do like just click the different part of this presentation, so that it's very convenient for you to introduce this. And it also offers the abilities for students to collaborate in class when using the program online. It's up to 9 people can edit the Prezi at the same time. So like you can just allow the students, they all went to this website and they can create their group project in this program. So it allows for a construction and presentation of students' knowledge, which will appeal to the different learning styles. So this app made more accessible for students and instructors through its online format. And students also can view the Prezi during and after the class by using an online link. Except for those advantages, it also have some cons. Like this application is very good for the students to learning the relationship of the concept you will introduce. Is a very good visual support, but sometimes this is not a very good presentation tools for the text-heavy presentations, because if you want to like print a PDF or the Prezi, because of the non-linear nature of most Prezi presentations. Those PDFs do not make the good handouts or notes which you can provide for students. So this is like the cons of this app. And for me, I think it's a very good visual support for you to use. And I will have some suggestions which when you use these apps, like you can get creative because the Prezi removes many of the restrictions that traditional presentation program foster. How the ideas are displayed and what visual comments are included in the in the presentation are largely up to the presenter, so it's necessary for you to understand how the information can be displayed to optimize learning of the content. So when you try to create your own Prezi presentation, you need to think about how to construct of this, how to show this, how to show all the informations you want to show for your students. And also you need to use the movement correctly. The ability to move about canvas is Prezi's strength and the weakness, while the approacher can create interesting and for the learning, it also be used too much. Think about the movement when you are using this app. Think how it's the best can be used to help students to understand the materials and how to involve them. And the last suggestion is just avoid the text-heavy presentation. The visual Prezi is like a visual supporter. When the text can be displayed, the Prezi is not the most conducive environment for displaying the lengthy text, like a long text. So you can use it like just as a best visual support. So for the conclusions, this is a very good visual support for you to use in your future class, and it has a place in education, but it would not the very dominant presentation apps which you can use. So just use the best way you can do, and that would be a good supporter for you.